Hey there, welcome to my channel filled with all the things. Today I want to do a review on Pennington wild bird seed. I've been a birder pretty much my whole life, but an outside birder mom. I've been birding for several years and I've enjoyed Pennington overall. There are a couple other bags that I do enjoy getting from time to time, especially if the sales exist, because the birds will eat me out of home for sure with all the seed that they will gladly take from me. Now Pennington, I know it says that it attracts quite a bit different species and what seeds will attract what, and honestly it's pretty true to its name. It is in a higher tier for bird food itself, especially wild bird food of course, but I will say that it holds up to its name. I've gotten other seeds in the past, experimenting, getting the sales, seeing what works, what doesn't work, and sometimes the other seeds are pretty dusty, pretty crackly with a bunch of crackled corn in it. And although some birds will eat anything and grateful that they get it, there are some birds out there that will turn their nose up to it. And I don't get as many visitors when I get other seeds. So I'm pretty excited about this. I got a 40-pound bag. 40 pound will last me in the summertime probably a few months. Last time I bought a bag was about 4 months ago, and I picked up on my regulars because we're about to start approaching summer, and summer brings in a bunch of duck friends, but it also brings in a bunch of migrating birds. So I'm excited to see how long this bag will last me, and I am always excited to feed my regulars. They put a smile on my face, and the least I could do is pay them back with some good seed, right? It's great all year round. It is true to its name. Now, I won't knock the other brands, as I said earlier. I won't say that they're trash, but I do like that I'm really not getting a big bag of dust. It's definitely going to come with a bunch of different seeds that they can choose from. This looks like standard stuff to human eye, but when it comes to the birds, they're like, gimme, 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 gimme all the snacks. So I usually, they have some Pennington bags with peanuts in it as well. I usually will see them higher on the price wise, and that's probably because of the peanuts in there, but I can just buy a bag of peanuts on the side, unsalted, and they'll love it just the same. So, and I like to pour those or sprinkle those into the bird stand. I have my squirrel visitor. You must hear the bag. He's like, bring me the goods. I like to stock up a canister. The dog's not a fan. I like to stock up a little canister so I'm not toting this bag back and forth. With enough that will last me a good second. So I put the lid thing up. I know Walmart sells Pennington quite a bit. You can really get it anywhere, but I do like to shop for the good deals, especially because I do feed a lot. So if I can get a good deal, push it out, find some other deals as well, I'm all about it. Because one of my things is I try to limit myself with a smaller container when I go outside to feed, because I will be like, oh, here, just have some more, just have some more. But you know, in the morning I can feed more, but at night, like my cutoff is usually around like 6 o'clock, because they'll come in and before sun goes down and they'll eat again, of course. But I don't like to leave it out for the creepy crawlers, you know. So I try to make sure that whatever I'm putting out will be eaten by the end of the day, so I don't attract any gross creatures that I don't really care for. So anyone that's birded, you've come across rats, maybe you come across other creatures that you don't really care to feed for. I used to have beef with the squirrels because they would steal all the nuts and the seeds, but I now leave piles out for them, and they actually help to keep away the rats. Like my Snow White duties is like feed them all besides the rats. And no offense to any people that love rats. I'm just trying to keep a healthy stand going. They hear the seeds.